The Learn to Read the Bible series is a resource designed by the Finnish Bible Society to help beginning readers. The material is provided in 3 levels of difficulty. This leveling aims to help individuals progress step by step towards proficient reading. The material is based on simplified Bible stories. The purpose of using Bible stories is to help new readers develop their reading skills so that they would be able to engage with the Bible meaningfully. Key steps in the process of preparing the material include: firstly, drafting. The text is drafted by simplifying the translation of the biblical text which has been published in the language. The English template helps the translator evaluate what is needed on each page. Secondly, exegetical checking. At this stage, the drafted text, which is a significantly simplified version of the published translation, undergoes an exegetical review. Thirdly, importing into Bloom. When the text has been through exegetical checking, it is imported into the Bloom software. Bloom provides a useful template for the layout of the text, and it also helps in preparing the appropriate difficulty level for each story. Fourthly, team reviewing. After the text has been imported into Bloom, each story is reviewed in 3 rounds. The first round focuses on the natural choice of words, the flow of the story, and how the text corresponds to the pictures. The second round checks the accuracy of the spelling and punctuation and the appropriate level of difficulty. And the third round checks how the questions relate to the text. Fifthly, printout. Once all stories and book elements have been adapted into the local language, test prints are prepared for final checking and community testing. And sixthly, community testing. Community testing assesses how recently trained basic literacy learners can read the Level 1 text and how well they can answer the comprehension questions. How the readers understand the pictures can also be assessed at this stage. More detailed guidelines on how to adapt the materials to other languages is provided in an online manual.